of type of cosmetics produced by a certain company. Okay, 2 upon 5 is allocated for shops and 8 upon 3 for export. What fraction of total stock of is the quantity allocated for shops and export? Okay, first of all, we have to find what is happening in the stock shop. Okay, stock type of cosmetics produced by a certain company is allocated for shops and export. Okay, we have to mark like this. Okay, this is the company. This is our company. In that company, 2 upon 5 of our stocks. 2 upon 5 of the stocks allocated for shops. Okay, this is for shops. Okay, this is for shops. And next one, 3 upon 8 for export. Okay, 3 upon 8 for export. After that, there is a remaining also. Okay, there is a remaining also. We will find that later. Okay, for the first question, what fraction of total stock is the quantity allocated for shops and for export? Okay, for shops, that is 2 upon 5 plus for export, that is 3 upon 8. For shops, it's 2 upon 5. It should be added with the stocks. For export, 3 upon 8. But in this case, you can look at these fractions. These denominators are not same. Okay, for that, you have to equalize the denominator. For that, I'll find the equivalent fraction. Okay, equivalent fraction for these fractions. For that, because the basic rule, while addition of fractions, the denominator should be same. But here you can see it's 5, it's 8. Okay, we will equalize that. For that, I'll multiply this fraction by number 8. I'm doing that. This fraction is multiplied with next fraction's denominator. Similarly, this fraction should be multiplied with the next fraction's denominator. Okay, when you multiply 2 8s are 16 upon 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40 plus 3 5s are 15 upon 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. Here I equalize the denominator for our addition. Otherwise we can't add. No. That's why I multiplied to get the equivalent fraction to add. 16 upon 40 added with 15 upon 40. Then we can add. The denominator should be same. It's 40. The fractions. Fraction for this numerator, 16 plus 15 is 31. 31 is the numerator of this question. Numerator of this question is 31 upon 40. Yeah, for next. Okay, that's all for this question. Okay. Here we know the fractions directly. We just added them to find our answer. We just added those fractions to find our answer. That is 31 upon 40. Okay, let's see our next question. 1 upon 3 of the remaining quantity of cosmetics is kept for sale within the company itself. If the value of this quantity of cosmetics that is kept for sale is 6,000 rupees, what is the value of the total stock of cosmetics? Here they are introducing one more thing. After given to shops and exports, there is a remaining quantity also. Okay, there is a remaining quantity also here. So we have to consider about that remaining. Okay, this is our remaining quantity. How to find this remaining quantity? From the total, okay, from the total, when we subtract the shops and exports fractions. From the total, when we subtract shops and exports fractions, we will find the remaining fraction. Okay, we know both together, both of them together, that will occupy 31 upon 40. That will occupy 31 upon 40. So the remaining fraction is, by looking at this denominator, the denominator should be same. From 40, 31 gone for shops and export. 31 gone for shops and export. The remaining should be 9. Okay, 9 portions of the 40 will remain. Okay, 9 portion of 40 will remain. How I found it? From 40, 31 went for shops and export. The remaining is the balance. Balance means from 40, that is the denominator, that remains same. From 40, 31 gone. So the remaining is 9. Okay, remaining is 9. Okay, then they were given 1 upon 3 of the remaining quantity of cosmetic is kept for sale. Okay, from this remaining, okay, from this remaining 9 upon 40, okay, of 1 upon 3. This is the data. 1 upon 3 of the remaining quantity of cosmetic is kept for sale within the company itself. If it values 6,000, what is the total stock value? Okay, we know the remaining, they were not indicated the remaining directly. We need to find the remaining of 1 upon 3. Okay, from this we have to find 1 upon 3. That means 9 upon 40 of function means its multiplication. 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3. Okay. 9 and 3 can be simplified. 1 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. So 1 3s are 3. 40 1s are 40. So this is the fraction kept within the company for sale. Okay. Within the company for sale. The remaining, okay, 1 upon 3 of remaining. 1 upon 3 of remaining. That's how I found this fraction. 9 upon 40 multiplied with 1 upon 3, that will give you 3 upon 40. 3 upon 40. Here we know that this 3 portion, okay, the kept portion is given as 6,000 rupees. 6,000 rupees. So we have to find total cosmetic stock. Total cosmetic stocks value. This 3 portion is indicating 6,000 rupees now. So how much this 40 portion will indicate? This is the like as our previous one. Okay. Here we have to find the equivalent fraction or equivalent ratio. This 3 became 6,000. How this 3 portion? This is the portion kept for sale within the company. That will give you 6,000 rupees. So we have to find how much the total cost of this cosmetics in this company, that is our denominator. If 3 portion is indicating 6,000, 3 multiplied with 2,000 will give you 6,000. Just think about it. 2 multiplied, sorry, 3 multiplied with 2,000 will give you 6,000. Similarly, to find the total cosmetic stock value, you should multiply 40 into 2,000 times. 40 into 2,000 times to get your answer. Okay, don't confuse with it. This is very easy, like as a equivalent ratio or equivalent fraction. This 3 became 6,000. So how much this 40 became? 40 is the denominator and total stock of this company. So 40 multiplied with 2,000, that means you should multiply 40 times 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. Okay. 40 should be multiplied with this 2,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. There are totally 4 zeros. And 2 fours are 8. 8. So the total price of this cosmetic stock equals to 80,000 rupees. Total amount of total value of this total stock of cosmetics. Okay, value of the total stock of cosmetics is equals to 8,000 rupees. 8,000, sorry, not 8,000, it is 80,000 rupees. 80,000 rupees. It's very easy. First of all, you should add these two to get the fraction for shops and export. To find the remaining from 40, 31 allocated for shops and exports. So the remaining should be 9. 1 upon 3 of remaining means we have to find of 9 upon 40 of 1 upon 3, that is 3 upon 40. This numerator is indicating the cosmetics is kept for sale within the company. That is showing 6,000 rupees. You have to find the relationship. So 3 became 6,000. So 3 multiplied with 2,000. Similarly, to find the total, the denominator is always giving you the total. So 40 into 2,000, that will give you the total stock price as 80,000 rupees.